Imagine a food so versatile, so packed with nutrients, that it could almost single-handedly sustain life. That's the potato for you. This humble, earth-grown treasure is more than just a staple food item. It's a nutritional powerhouse that's often misunderstood and underappreciated. Let's start by peeling back the layers of this fascinating tuber. One of the most surprising facts about potatoes is their high vitamin C content. Yes, you heard it right. A medium-sized potato can provide nearly half of your daily recommended intake of this vital nutrient. Besides being a potent antioxidant, vitamin C plays a crucial role in collagen production, aiding in skin health and wound healing. But that's not all. Potatoes are also chock full of potassium, even more than the much-acclaimed bananas. This essential mineral keeps our heart rhythm steady and helps maintain normal blood pressure. It's also crucial for nerve function and muscle control. And let's not forget about fiber. The potato's skin is a rich source of this nutrient, which aids in digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and can even assist in weight management by making you feel fuller for longer. Now, it's time to debunk a common myth. Many people dismiss potatoes as mere carbs and empty calories. However, this is far from the truth. While potatoes are indeed a source of carbohydrates, they are complex carbs which our bodies need for energy. Moreover, potatoes are naturally fat-free, and when cooked in healthy ways can be a wholesome addition to a balanced diet. So it's clear that potatoes are not just about starch. They're a nutrition-rich food that can offer numerous health benefits. They're an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, and when consumed in moderation and prepared healthily, they can support overall well-being. So the next time you hear someone dismiss potatoes as mere carbs, remember, they are much more than that. This unassuming vegetable is a veritable trove of nutrients, ready to nourish your body and support your health. So don't shy away from the humble potato. Instead, embrace it as the nutritional powerhouse it truly is. Despite their nutritional prowess, potatoes have fallen victim to numerous misconceptions. This humble tuber, a staple food for many cultures around the globe, has been unfairly demonized. Let's debunk some of these myths. First off, the notion that potatoes are calorie bombs is a gross exaggeration. Yes, potatoes contain calories, as does every food, but they are not excessively high in calories. A medium-sized potato, for instance, contains about 130 calories. That's fewer calories than a medium-sized apple. The problem arises when potatoes are deep-fried, slathered in butter, or drowned in sour cream. It's not the potato itself, but the preparation method that can turn this nutritious tuber into a calorie-dense meal. Another common myth is that potatoes are fattening and contribute to weight gain. Again, this is a misinterpretation. Research shows that potatoes, when consumed as part of a balanced diet, do not lead to weight gain. In fact, they can be quite satiating, helping you feel full and satisfied, which can actually aid in weight management. It's essential to remember that weight gain is typically the result of an overall caloric surplus, not the consumption of any specific food. Lastly, let's address the misconception that potatoes are nutritionally void. Quite the contrary, potatoes are a nutritional powerhouse. They are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and B vitamins. They also provide dietary fiber, which is beneficial for gut health. So how did these myths about potatoes come about? Well, they typically stem from misinterpretations or oversimplifications of nutritional information. Over time, these misinterpretations have been repeated and amplified, leading many people to believe that potatoes are unhealthy. The truth is, potatoes are not your enemy. Misinformation is. So the next time you hear someone demonizing potatoes, remember to question where they got their information from. Because when it comes to nutrition, knowledge is power. And potatoes? Well, they're quite the powerhouse. Potatoes can be a health boon or a diet disaster, depending on how you prepare them. Now let's peel back the layers and uncover the right and wrong ways to enjoy these tubers. When it comes to potatoes, preparation is key. You see, the nutritional value of a potato can change drastically based on how it's cooked. Imagine two potatoes. One is deep-fried, golden and crispy. The other is gently boiled, soft and steaming. The fried potato, while undeniably delicious, becomes a vessel for unhealthy fats and excessive calories, and let's not even start on the added salt. On the other hand, the boiled potato retains its natural nutrients, providing you with essential vitamins and minerals, like vitamin C and potassium. Baking is another healthy option, as it similarly preserves many of the potato's inherent benefits. Without the added fats and salts that come with frying, these methods let the potato's natural goodness shine through. But let's not demonize fried potatoes completely. Yes, they're not the healthiest option, but indulging in a small portion every now and then won't derail a balanced diet. The key here is moderation and portion control. A small serving of fries can be a tasty treat, but it shouldn't become a daily habit. Another important point to consider is what you're putting on your potatoes. Butter, sour cream, cheese. While these toppings can enhance the flavor, they can also pile on unnecessary calories and unhealthy fats. Opt instead for healthier alternatives like a dollop of Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, or even a spoonful of salsa for a spicy twist. And remember, potatoes can be a part of a healthy diet, but they shouldn't be the only vegetable on your plate. Pair them with a colorful array of other veggies to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Remember, it's not the potato that's the problem. It's often what we do to it. So, next time you're preparing potatoes, think about the best ways to cook and enjoy them without compromising their nutritional value. A potato alone does not make a meal, but included in a balanced diet, it can be a nutritional powerhouse. Picture this: you're constructing a building. The foundation is crucial, right? Well, in the architecture of a balanced diet, potatoes can be a key building block. They're rich in complex carbohydrates, providing the energy our bodies need to function optimally. But remember, just like a building needs more than just a foundation, a balanced diet requires more than just potatoes. We often hear about the importance of protein and fats, but let's not forget about carbohydrates. They're the body's primary fuel source, powering everything from your brain to your muscles. And potatoes? They're a fantastic source of these essential carbs. Plus, they offer a sense of fullness or satiety, which can help to prevent overeating. However, let's not fall into the trap of thinking potatoes are a one-stop shop for all our nutritional needs. A healthy, balanced diet is like a rainbow, full of different colors and nutrients. Each food has its own nutritional profile and benefits, so it's crucial to include a variety of foods. For instance, while potatoes are a good source of vitamin C and potassium, they don't provide significant amounts of other vitamins and minerals that our bodies need. That's where the rest of your diet comes in. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can fill in these nutritional gaps. Think of potatoes as a versatile sidekick in your dietary plan. They can be a delicious addition to a colorful salad, a hearty component in a casserole, or even a base for a loaded veggie bake. But remember, the way you prepare your potatoes matters. Baking or boiling is a healthier choice than deep frying, and go easy on the butter and sour cream. So, let's not demonize or idolize the humble potato. It has its place in a healthy diet, but it's not the only player in the game. It's about creating a symphony of nutrients that work together to nourish your body. In the end, it's all about balance and variety. So, we've debunked the myths, discussed the facts, but where do we go from here? As we move forward, it's exciting to see the role that potatoes can play in our health and nutrition. Ongoing research continues to shed light on the versatile power of this humble tuber. For instance, did you know that potatoes are being studied for their potential role in gut health? As a rich source of resistant starch, especially when cooked and cooled, potatoes could potentially help nourish our gut bacteria. This could lead to improved digestion and overall well-being. But that's not all. Potatoes are also being investigated for their disease-fighting properties. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants found in potatoes could help combat chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. As we progress into the future, we may find even more reasons to incorporate potatoes into our diets. But, as with all things in nutrition, it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. Potatoes are wonderful, but they're just one part of a diverse, nutrient-dense diet. It's crucial to continue learning, to stay open-minded, and to adjust our dietary choices as new research comes to light. In the realm of nutrition, things are rarely black and white. Foods that were once demonized can later be celebrated, and vice versa. The key is to stay informed and to make choices that best support your individual health and wellness goals. So what's next for the humble potato? Only time will tell. But one thing is for certain. The future of potatoes in health and nutrition is looking bright. We're just scratching the surface of what this incredible vegetable has to offer. Keep an open mind and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of potatoes. Until then, remember, potatoes are more than just a side dish.